Today we will do something you probably don't associate with Power Query. Generate a text report directly from data. We will take this simple job history table and turn it into a mini resume for each person. And we will do it one step at a time, slowly watching the code evolve from simple grouping to full text generation. Let's dive in. We've got candidates, their past employers, positions, and the years they worked there. What we want is something like this: clean, compact, readable table with a personal summary for each candidate. We will start with the Table.Group function, the heart of aggregation in Power Query. The first argument is the table itself. Then we define the column we are grouping by candidate. And I want to create a new column called experience. So I type experience, each underscore symbol. Here we tell Power Query, group everything by candidate, and for each person just return their table as is. The underscore symbol here means the current group. So for Alice, you'll see a small table with her 3 rows. Nothing exciting yet, but this is the foundation. Now let's number the experiences inside each group. We are introducing Table.AddIndexColumn. It simply adds a column called index, starting at 1. Now every candidate's mini table is numbered 1 to 3. Now it's time to break each nested table into something we can loop through. So I will use Table.ToRows function that converts the little table into a list of lists, 1 list per row. This will enable us to use powerful list functions, like List.Transform, that lets us process each row in this list. For now, we are just taking underscore and 0 in figure brackets, the first field in each row. So you'll see something like repeating names. It's a quick sanity check. We know we are looping correctly. Now let's try to change this number and see what happens. I will type 5 to get the index numbers. In Power Query you can't just combine numbers and text values in one string. You will need to use number-to-text function to first transform the number into text too. Okay, the dots and spaces are here. Let's continue. Let us stitch together all the fields and the separators. And now each row becomes a line like this. So line by line, you're literally writing a report using M language. But we need to bring it all together. We can use Text.Combine function to wrap it all up. It joins all those lines with a line break between each. Pay attention to the symbol LF in brackets and with hash symbol before it. LF means line feed, and just like that, you get a single beautifully formatted resume per candidate. What's cool here isn't the syntax, it's the mindset. We didn't just clean data, we created a full report using M language. If you can build this, you can format project summaries, task histories, customer notes, anything that needs a human-readable structure. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!